Okay, where the fuck are you coming from now, bitch? She tried for me. I don't even see no one.
No wonder why nobody will eat her asshole. You gotta be nice if you want somebody. Eat my asshole. Go Randy Savage on her ass. Eat my asshole, brother.
Yeah, brother. I see.
I see what you're saying. Seeing if there's a way to shoot it down.
Get up in me. She wants me to get up in that ass.
Gotta eat it. Gotta eat it. Oh, there's a door.
Eat my
I
asshole.
told you. Hit Y.
Yeah, I know. There's a ladder there. Is she up there? Where do you want? Stop throwing your kitchen knives at me, bitch.
She's mad because you won't eat her asshole.
I know.
She's going after you with her pampered chef fucking attire.
If only it did like Assassin's Creed where it makes a red thing.
Dude, that straw almost went everywhere. Oh man, it hurts. It was up my nose. Oh my god.
She was so aggressive about it.
Oh my god. She couldn't have said that at her worst time. Mid-swim.
That was fucking funny.
How do I get this ladder now? She is demanding.
Right? There she is right there.
Go to bed.
How am I supposed to eat your asshole from way up there?
Right? Bring your asshole down here, Ollie. Oh no, she's already fucking enjoying herself up there.
No, she's all twins.
Oh, okay.
Oh
She's
shit.
Fucking tit head. I wonder if she can still say eat my asshole.
I don't think so. Oh man.